Welcome to Kiddo Giggle and Grow, a happy home for little learners. Hey kids, get ready to learn about some awesome vehicles. We'll find out what they are, how they work, and why we use them. Watch till the end because this video is super fun. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button.
This is a car.
This is a car. A car is a comfy vehicle with 4 wheels that our families use every day. It has an engine to move fast on roads and can carry a few people to school, the grocery store, or on a fun road trip. Remember to always buckle up your seatbelt to stay safe.
This is a bus.
This is a bus. A bus is a super big vehicle designed to carry many people at once. You often ride a yellow school bus to get to school and back home safely. City buses are part of public transport, helping people travel all around big towns without needing their own car.
This is a truck.
This is a truck. A truck is a strong, powerful vehicle with a huge body and wheels, built for carrying heavy things. Large semi-trucks haul food, toys, and other goods across the country on highways. They are like giants of the road, keeping stores stocked and deliveries moving.
This is a motorcycle.
This is a motorcycle. A motorcycle is like a bicycle but with a powerful engine. It has 2 wheels and the rider sits on a long seat holding the handlebars. They are fast and great for zipping around. Riders always wear a helmet and special gear for safety because they are not protected by a car's metal frame.
This is a bicycle.
This is a bicycle. A bicycle is a fun way to travel and exercise. It has 2 wheels and you pedal with your feet to make it go. It doesn't need gas or a motor. Riding your bike is a great way to stay healthy, explore your neighborhood, or ride on fun trails in the park.
This is a scooter.
This is a scooter. A scooter is a small light ride that's usually just for one person. It has 2 small wheels, a long board to stand on, and handlebars for steering. You push off the ground with your foot to move. It's perfect for short trips or racing your friends on the sidewalk.
This is a train.
This is a train. A train is a long line of cars connected together that travels on a metal track called a railroad. Some trains carry many passengers, like the subway, while huge freight trains carry containers of cargo across the entire country.
This is a tram.
This is a tram. A tram, or streetcar, is like a smaller, lighter train that runs on tracks built right into city streets. It is powered by electricity from an overhead wire. Trams are a great, quiet way for people to travel short distances and see the city sights.
This is a van.
This is a van. A van is a box-shaped vehicle, usually bigger than a car but smaller than a bus. It has a lot of space inside. Families use it to carry many people, and businesses use it to move tools, supplies, or equipment. They are great for hauling almost anything.
This is a taxi.
This is a taxi. A taxi is a car you can hire for a ride. They are often yellow in big cities like New York and have a light on top that says taxi. When the light is on, it means they are available to take you anywhere you want to go for a fee.
This is a pickup truck.
This is a pickup truck. A pickup truck is a vehicle with a closed cabin for passengers and an open area in the back called a bed. It is super common in America. People use the open bed to carry tools, wood, or equipment. It's tough and great for farm work or outdoor adventures.
This is a tractor.
This is a tractor. A tractor is a powerful farming machine with very large back wheels. It moves slowly but is very strong. Farmers use it to pull tools called implements to plow fields, plant seeds, and harvest crops. They are essential for growing the food we eat.
This is an ambulance.
This is an ambulance. An ambulance is an emergency vehicle with bright lights and a loud siren. It speeds through traffic to quickly take sick or injured people to the hospital. Inside, emergency medical technicians give care until they arrive at the emergency room.
This is a fire truck.
This is a fire truck. A fire truck is a big red emergency vehicle that rushes to fires. It carries brave firefighters, long hoses, and a huge tank of water. Many fire trucks have an extra long ladder on top to help reach high windows and spray water from above.
This is a police car.
This is a police car. A police car is a special vehicle used by the police to keep our communities safe. It has flashing blue and red lights and a siren. Police officers drive it to patrol the streets, respond quickly to emergencies, and help people who need assistance.
This is an airplane.
This is an airplane. An airplane is a huge machine with wings that flies high up in the sky. It uses powerful jet engines to move people and cargo to faraway places around the world very quickly. Taking off and landing are the most exciting parts.
This is a helicopter.
This is a helicopter. A helicopter is an aircraft with large spinning rotor blades on top instead of fixed wings. This design allows it to fly straight up, straight down, and even hover in one spot. They are often used for rescues, news reporting, or police work.
This is a boat.
This is a boat. A boat is any small vehicle designed to travel on water. It can be powered by a motor, by sails, or by rowing with oars. People use boats for fishing, water sports, or simply cruising on a lake or river on a sunny day.
This is a yacht.
This is a yacht. A yacht is a fancy, expensive boat, often very large and luxurious. They are usually used for fun, like racing or cruising on the ocean. You will often see them with big sails or powerful motors, enjoying the sea breeze.
This is a canoe.
This is a canoe. A canoe is a lightweight, narrow boat pointed at both ends. You sit low inside and use a single-bladed paddle to push yourself through the water. Canoes are peaceful to ride, perfect for exploring quiet rivers or calm lakes.
This is a kayak.
This is a kayak. A kayak is a small, sleek boat, often covered over the top except for a hole where you sit. You use a double-bladed paddle to move through the water. They are great for racing, exploring ocean coasts, or navigating fast-moving rivers.
This is a sailboat.
This is a sailboat. A sailboat is a boat that moves by catching the wind with a large piece of fabric called a sail. There's no engine needed. The sailor must skillfully adjust the sail to go where they want, using the natural power of the wind.
This is a hovercraft.
This is a hovercraft. A hovercraft is a unique vehicle that travels both on land and water. It uses a big fan to blow air downward, creating a cushion of air underneath. This air cushion lifts the craft, letting it glide or hover just above the surface.
This is a hang glider.
This is a hang glider. A hang glider is a lightweight flying machine made of fabric stretched over a frame. The pilot hangs underneath in a harness and controls the flight by shifting their body weight. They run down a hill to take off and glide gracefully through the air.
This is a forklift.
This is a forklift. A forklift is a small, strong machine used in warehouses and stores. It has two metal forks in the front that can slide under a pallet, a platform, of goods and lift it high up. It moves heavy stacks of boxes that people can't lift.
This is a Jeep.
This is a Jeep. A Jeep is a famous American brand of SUV, sport utility vehicle, known for being rugged and tough. They are built for off-roading, meaning they can drive on rocky trails or muddy land that regular cars can't handle. It's an adventurer's best friend.
This is a jet ski.
This is a jet ski. A jet ski is like a motorcycle for the water. It's a small personal watercraft, PWC, that one or two people can ride. You sit or stand, use handlebars to steer, and zoom quickly across a lake or the ocean for a thrilling, wet ride.
This is a parachute.
This is a parachute. A parachute is a huge piece of fabric used to slow down a person or object falling from an airplane. When opened, it catches the air, creating drag that allows a skydiver to float safely down to the ground. It's a very important safety device.
This is a horse carriage.
This is a horse carriage. A horse carriage is a vehicle with wheels pulled by one or more horses. Before cars were invented, this was a common way to travel. Today, you might see them giving fun tours in city parks or used in parades for a classic, charming ride.
This is a golf cart.
This is a golf cart. A golf cart is a small electric vehicle used to drive around a golf course. They carry golfers and their bags of clubs. They move slowly and are great for short, leisurely rides, like in a large park or even around a big retirement community.
This is a quad bike.
This is a quad bike. A quad bike, also called an ATV, all-terrain vehicle, is a small vehicle with 4 big tires. It's designed to ride over almost any type of ground, mud, dirt, or sand. Riders use it for fun and also for working on farms or trails.
This is a cable car.
This is a cable car. A cable car is a vehicle on wheels that moves by gripping onto a continuously moving steel cable underneath the street. San Francisco is famous for its historic cable cars. They help people travel up and down the city's very steep hills.
This is a caravan.
This is a caravan. A caravan, or RV travel trailer in the USA, is like a mini home on wheels that you tow behind a car or truck. It has beds, a kitchen, and a living area. Families use it to camp and travel across the country while still having a place to sleep.
This is an electric scooter.
This is an electric scooter. An electric scooter is like a regular scooter, but with a small motor powered by a battery. You don't have to push to make it go. They are great for quickly riding short distances in the city and are very popular for quick shared rides you can rent with an app.
This is a delivery van.
This is a delivery van. A delivery van is a boxy vehicle used by companies like UPS or FedEx. Its job is to move packages, mail, and online orders from a store or warehouse right to your door. When you see one, you know someone's getting a special delivery.